In front of me is VIVO V60E, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off app notifications. If you wanna block notifications from chosen app on your Vivo, here's how to do it using only devices settings. So let's start by opening settings and scrolling to click on notifications and status bar. Then scroll to click on newest next to app notification management. Most people forget that you should click here and pick one of those options to see all of your apps with newest notifications, most frequent notifications, all apps, or apps with notifications already disabled. Wherever you decided, when you're ready, use blue switchers next to your apps to block notifications from them, or gray ones to turn them back on. You can also click on an app on the left and manage all notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!